Hey kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn about something truly amazing, the organ systems of the human body. Our body is just like a big machine, and each part has a special job to do. Different organs work together to perform important functions, and these groups of organs are called organ systems. Let's explore the 10 main organ systems that keep us alive and healthy. So first one is circulatory system. The circulatory system is like the transport system of our body. It includes the heart, blood and blood vessels. The heart pumps blood and blood travels through vessels carrying oxygen and nutrients to all parts of the body. It also carries waste products away to be removed. Without the circulatory system, our cells wouldn't get the energy they need to work properly. Second one is nervous system. The nervous system controls and coordinates everything we do. It includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The brain acts like the control center. The spinal cord carries messages, and the nerves send signals to different parts of the body. Thanks to the nervous system, we can think, feel, move, and react to what's happening around us. Third one is muscular system. The muscular system helps us move our body. It includes all the muscles, big and small, that help us walk, talk, smile, and even breathe. Muscles work together with the bones to create movement. Some muscles work without us thinking, like our heart muscles and stomach muscles, while others we control, like the muscles in our arms and legs. So, our muscles make every moment possible. Fourth one is respiratory system. The respiratory system helps us breathe. It includes the nose, windpipe, and lungs. When we inhale, oxygen enters our lungs, and when we exhale, we remove carbon dioxide as a waste gas. Breathing gives us body the oxygen it needs to make energy. Fifth one is digestive system. The digestive system helps break down the food we eat into nutrients and that body can use. It includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, intestines, liver and pancreas. Food is achieved in the mouth, digested in the stomach and nutrients are absorbed in the intestines. Whatever is not needed is passed out as a waste. This system gives us the energy to grow, work, and play. Sixth one is skeletal system. The skeletal system is our body's framework. It's made up of bones, joints, and cartilage. It gives shape and support to the body, protects organs like the brain and heart, and helps us move with the help of muscles. We have 206 bones in our body, each with an important role. Seventh one is immune system. The immune system protects our body from germs and diseases. It includes white blood cells, lymph nodes, and antibodies that fight infections. Whenever harmful germs enter in our body, the immune system fights them and keeps us healthy. It's our body's defense army. Eighth one is endocrine system. The endocrine system controls many activities in our body using hormones, special chemical messengers. It includes glands like the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal glands, and pancreas. Hormones help control growth, mood, energy, and metabolism. This system keeps everything in balance inside our body. Ninth one is excretory system. The excretory system removes waste materials from the body. It includes the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. Kidneys filter the blood and make urine, which is sorted in the bladder and then removed from the body. This system keeps our body clean from harmful wastes and maintains water balance. Tenth one is reproductive system. The reproductive system helps living things produce offsprings called babies. In humans, males and females have different organs that work together for reproduction. This system ensures that life continues from one generation to the next. It's all about the miracle of life. So, children, Today, we learned that our body has many organ systems and each one has its special job. But remember, all systems work together like a team to keep us alive, active, and healthy. From breathing and eating to thinking and moving, every second these systems are busy working for you. So take care of your body, eat healthy, exercise, sleep well, and stay happy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos. See you in the next video.